morning. Today we are going to discuss about a case study of bank account management. You know the difficulties of how to maintain a bank account in a bank and how to maintain the databases in the bank. Okay. For that we are going to use recently the learning problem solving using SQL here. So we are going to discuss about what are the queries are used in the bank account details to maintain the account. See, the first thing is emphasize banks handle huge amount of customer account and transaction data. You know that bank handling a lot of bank accounts for the customer, then and also having the transactions of data day-to-day life here. Then here we are going to find out the problem, that is we have to secure the data first and store the data securely here, and also we can easily drive the data whenever we need to check our balance. We can easily access our data by using the net. Further, we are use it to store the data, and whenever we need the data, we can easily retrieve the data anywhere, anytime, any place. Further, we are using SQL helps to organize and query the data efficiently here. Next thing, what are the problems we have to identify and define here? Here we are using entities. First entity is customer. We are the customer. We have to need ID, customer ID, name, address and phone number here. The next entity is account. For the customer, each customer need a account number, customer ID, balance type. Because we are maintaining here two types of accounts. One is savings account and another one is salary account. Or we can also store the data of deposit account also here. The next thing is transaction entity. Here we have to know about transaction ID, then account number for customer, then which date they are opening the account, then what are the types, whether they are saving account, they are salary account, or whether deposit account, we have to identify. Then how much amount they are depositing, deposit amount, or how much amount they are transaction doing the day-to-day life like that, we have to know that. The next thing is the relationship. Here the main things are relationship. One is one customer to many accounts, means one customer having a many account or many banks, they are having an account number here. Either Indian Bank or SBI, then Indian Overseas, Canada Bank, like they are having a lot of account types. Then one account to many transactions. I am a single person, I am transacting the accounts or amount to the many persons. For example, I am saying an example, I am sending you guys to having a transaction of amounts having 1 lakh to all people. Here having a 54 students, for that I am sending each having 1,000 rupees. So 50,000 rupees or 54,000 rupees I am transacting the amount to you guys. For example, that one account I am having one account I am transacting many to the students. Next, here I need SQL database. First thing, how to create a customer table.
Create a customer table. Customer ID, name, address, phone number.
Yes. Then next question is how to create the account number. How to create an account table.
Customer ID, balance, order key.
Yes. References customer ID. Okay. Then how to create a table transaction.
Create a table transaction, customer ID, IND, prime ID, account number, IND, date, type voucher, amount, decimal number, 10, 2, RIN key, account number, reference account number, account number.
Okay. We can easily create the query by using the query. We can create a table like this. For example, the customer table. Then create a table for an account table. Account is used for a customer. We have to know about customer ID. First, we have to know what customer ID. Open your mouth and say customer ID. Then next thing is customer name. Then next thing is address of a particular customer. Then next thing is phone number. Then next thing is create a table for an account. For that account we are going to use and identify that whether the person having an account or not. For that we have account number first. Then second thing is customer ID. We have to know refer this bank or customer ID like that. The next thing is create a table for transaction. In this transaction account, we are going to know about the transaction ID, then account number, then date, which date they are transferring the amount to the other person, like that. The next thing is amount, how many amount they are transfer, and which account they are transfer. We have to refer the account key. That means account person name, we have to present here. Then what the prototypes we are using here means prototype is nothing but the rules and regulations. We have to follow the SQL queries. In that, first we are going to insert here. Insert between a customer value, that is one person having a customer ID, that is 101. The name of the person is Arun. They are from Chennai, so they are having a phone number like some numbers having. Then another account having one account balance, how much they are opening the account as 2001. The account number is 101. They are saving amount is 5,000, 50,000. Account type is savings account. Then another transaction we are going to insert into your table. Value is having a 1, 2001. The date they are preferred as a 1/9/2025. Then deposit amount is 10,000. How many types they are already having 50,000 in their account, and again they are transacting 10,000 to their particular account. Then if you want to check how many things, what are the things are available in your table, how to check by using the query, select start from your account. It will show that how many types of accounts you are having and how much of amount you are transferring from one account to another account. The next thing is select name, balance to customer using join account, that is A on C, customer ID equal to A customer ID. Here I am going to join two accounts, that is one is balance account and another one is customer ID. I am joining the two accounts here. So next thing is I want to check whether the transaction, how many transactions are done in the particular thing. For that I am using a query as select start from transaction ID. That account number equal to 2001 here. Okay, next. Here we are going to test about the account, then customer account, then account balance report and transaction history. The first customer with accounts report. You know that monthly we are having a generated under the bank account slip how much of transaction is going there to the customer. The next thing is account balance report. The account balance report having, you know that each and every time we getting a balance report. The transaction history also you can able to see the account. Next. Then the conclusion is SQL helps to maintain the secure data and also a consistent data and efficiently planned data, because we can access anywhere, anytime, any place our database anytime. The next enables easy balance sheet, transaction history and reporting. You know that if you are using a Google Pay or if you are using an account app like SBI app, Indian overseas bank app like that, you are using that, you can easily get the balance of a particular day and how much of amount you are transacting, like that, and then you can get from the applications. The next thing is the scalable solution for the real-world banking system.